In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install Monday.com on your PC effortlessly and efficiently. Let's begin by navigating to the Monday.com website. You can do this by opening up your preferred web browser and typing in Monday.com in the search bar. Once you're on the website, you'll see that it's designed to be both functional and visually appealing, making it easy to navigate through the plethora of resources available. Now, take a look at the top of the home page or menu bar to find the Resources option. Clicking on this will open up a new set of options, and from these, you'll want to select Help Center. The Help Center is a goldmine of information for both beginners and seasoned users, providing guidance on a wide range of topics. Once inside the Help Center, you need to search for the desktop app. This will allow you to locate specific instructions for downloading the version that's compatible with your computer, whether you are using a Mac or Windows system. Just type desktop app into the search bar and the results should pop up for you. Now click on the top result, which will direct you to the detailed instructions for downloading the desktop application. Here, you'll see explanations for both Mac and Windows platforms. If you're using a Mac, simply follow the steps under the Mac section to ensure that you install the correct version. Similarly, if you're on Windows, follow the steps provided in the Windows section. Downloading and installing Monday.com is designed to be straightforward, but if you run into any hiccups, remember that the Help Center and the support community are just a click away, ready to assist you with any challenges you may face. And there you have it, just a few simple steps to get Monday.com up and running on your PC. Once installed, you'll be able to seamlessly manage your projects, tasks, and collaborations all in one place. It's perfect for keeping you organized and on top of everything. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials and tips like this. Thank you for watching and enjoy using Monday.com to enhance your productivity.